It's been a while, right? 4 years, the base model iPad has been the hand-me-down tablet. It was the one you bought for your kids, or for your grandma to check emails. It was reliable, but it was boring. It was always 2 steps behind the Pro and the Air. But as we sit here in 2026, something has shifted in Cupertino. There is a tension in the air that we haven't felt since the transition to the M1 chip. Apple is about to do something they almost never do. They are about to give their most affordable device the keys to the kingdom. The iPad 12th generation isn't just a spec bump. It is a calculated strike. With the rise of the MacBook Neo and the pressure from high-end Android tablets. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Apple has been forced into a corner. They realized that if the base iPad can't handle the future of AI, the base iPad is dead. Today, we are diving into the most explosive leaks of 2026. We are talking about a chip that shouldn't be in a budget device, a RAM upgrade that changes the game, and a secret neural feature that might make you regret buying that iPad Air last month. If you are a student, a parent, or just someone looking for the best value in tech, do not, I repeat, do not, buy a tablet until you hear what I'm about to tell you. Because the iPad 12 is about to break the rules of the Apple tax. Let's get right into the meat of it. The 11th Gen iPad, which launched in 2025, was a solid machine. It had the A16 chip. It was fast. But it had a glaring, massive problem. It was the only iPad in the entire lineup that couldn't run Apple Intelligence. In 2026, a device without AI is like a car without an engine. The leaks from the supply chain are unanimous. The iPad 12 is skipping the A17 and jumping straight to the A18, or according to some whispered rumors from Bloomberg, even a binned version of the A19. Why does this matter? Because of the neural engine. We aren't just talking about opening apps faster. We are talking about localized intelligence. Imagine your iPad being able to generate images, summarize hour-long lectures into 3 bullet points, and edit your photos with natural language commands, all without sending a single bit of data to the cloud. This is the promise of the 12th General. Apple is essentially taking the brain of a flagship iPhone and putting it into their $349 tablet. For the first time in history, the cheap iPad will have the same AI capabilities as the $1,000 iPhone Pro. Let that sink in. Now, if you know Apple, you know they are stingy with RAM. They love to give you just enough to get by. But Apple Intelligence is a memory hog. The 11th Gen iPad struggled with 6 GB of RAM. It was the bottleneck. But the 12th Gen leaked internal code suggests a standard 8 GB across all models. This is the magic number. 8 GB of RAM on an iPad OS device is a transformative experience. It means your Safari tabs won't refresh every time you switch apps. It means you can actually multitask between a 4K video stream and a complex Note document without the system stuttering. It means this iPad will likely receive software updates until 2032. In the USA market, where we value future-proofing above almost anything else, this makes the iPad 12 the smartest financial move in the entire Apple ecosystem. You aren't just buying a tablet for today. You're buying a machine that will still feel fast when your kids are graduating high school. Let's talk aesthetics.